Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cracking the code on one of the hidden heroes of modern factory automation. We're talking all about recipe management in HMI and SCADA systems. Whether you're an engineering student, an automation pro, or honestly just someone fascinated by how things are made flawlessly on a massive scale, you are absolutely in the right place. Let's start with a massive, very real industrial headache. How did giant factories switch from producing a 500 milliliter bottle to a 1 liter bottle in mere minutes, all without manually resetting every single machine? Think about it for a second. Some modern bottling plants process well over 1,000 bottles a minute. If operators had to physically walk around and adjust every valve, motor speed, and pressure gauge, well, the downtime would cost thousands of dollars a minute. It's a massive bottleneck. But they don't do that. The secret to how they pull this off is exactly what we're explaining today. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap. First, what exactly is recipe management? Second, components and working principles. Third, real-world applications. Then we'll hit benefits and best practices. And finally, we'll take a look at the future and DVI automation. All right, Section 1. What is recipe management? Let's define the core solution to our factory bottleneck. Essentially, recipe management is a specific feature built right into HMI. That's your human-machine interface and SCADA systems. It safely stores predefined machine parameters and process settings. This means operators can recall and apply them with literally just a few clicks. Basically, instead of punching in numeric values manually every single time a product changes, the operator just selects a recipe. From there, the automated controller, the PLC, takes over and automatically loads the exact correct settings straight into the machines. To put this into perspective, think about the old way. Manual parameter entry. It's slow, it's highly error-prone, just a nightmare for efficiency. Now contrast that with automated recipe management. Going back to our beverage factory example, to switch from that 500 milliliter bottle to the 1 liter bottle, the operator doesn't have to run around the factory floor with a clipboard anymore. They simply tap the 1 liter recipe on their centralized touchscreen, and the automation handles the whole shebang. It's precise, centralized, and instantaneous. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer number of variables in play here. A single recipe isn't just tweaking one or two settings. It completely dictates the temperature, the pressure, the motor and conveyor speeds, the exact filling quantity, mixing time, batch size, and complex timer settings. All of these parameters change simultaneously the exact moment a recipe is selected. Just imagine trying to coordinate all of that manually across an entire production line without making a single mistake. No way. Moving right along to Section 2, Components and Working Principles. Let's peel back the curtain on how this technology actually works under the hood. So here's the interconnected team making all this magic happen. First up, you've got the recipe database, which safely stores all the production recipes. Then there's the HMI screen, the physical interface operators use to create, edit, or load those recipes. Next is the PLC. This is the brain of the operation. It receives those parameters and actually controls the machine. Meanwhile, you have sensors constantly monitoring the real-time production process and feeding data back, while actuators act as the muscle, operating the motors, valves, pumps, and conveyors. And tying all of this seamlessly together is the communication network, instantly transferring data between the HMI, the PLC, and the overarching SCADA system. So how does this team execute a play? Let's walk through it methodically. It starts in the control room, where an engineer creates and stores the recipe. Out on the floor, step 2, the operator selects the required recipe for the day's run. Instantly, step 3, the HMI fires that data straight to the PLC. Step 4, the PLC automatically acts as the maestro, updating all the physical machine parameters. Step 5, production springs to life automatically. And finally, step 6, sensors continuously monitor the active process to ensure absolute perfection. Now, a quick point of clarification here. This system is incredibly flexible. Selecting a recipe can be manual, meaning the operator physically chooses it on the screen, or it can be completely automatic, switching entirely on its own based on a set production schedule. Plus, storage can be local, living right inside a specific machine's HMI, or it can be centralized on a server or SCADA system, sharing recipes across multiple production lines at the exact same time. All right, Section 3, Real-World Applications. Let's see how different industries are actually leveraging this tech. And this brilliantly illustrates just how versatile this concept is. In food and beverage, it's managing recipes for juices, soft drinks, and snacks. Over in pharmaceuticals, it's strictly controlling medicine batch production, where even a tiny parameter error could be absolutely disastrous. The chemical industry uses it for mixing precise proportions. Plastic manufacturing relies on it to instantly change molding settings for entirely different products. Packaging uses it to adjust sizes and fill quantities. We're even seeing it extend into smart agriculture, dictating irrigation schedules based on specific crops and seasons. The idea has spread like wildfire. It truly is everywhere. Section 4. Benefits and best practices. Time to look at the bottom line value and how engineers ensure it runs safely. The industrial benefits listed here are simply game changers. We get vastly faster product changeovers and startups. Think back to our 1-liter beverage bottle from the start. The factory switches to it with virtually zero downtime. We also get incredibly improved product consistency because every single batch is identically calibrated. There's a massive reduction in human errors and setup time, which directly drives up production efficiency. Plus, you get far better traceability for quality control and much easier process standardization across your entire facility. But hey, to actually achieve those benefits, you have to follow implementation best practices. For the programmers and operators listening right now, these are non-negotiable. Always use clear, standardized recipe names. Back up your databases regularly. You absolutely must restrict editing to authorized users only. You really don't want an untrained user accidentally altering a critical chemical mix. Always validate and test recipes before rolling them into full production. And finally, keep your documentation updated and maintain strict version control so you can always roll back to a previous setting if needed. And finally, Section 5, the future and DV automation. Let's look toward the horizon of Industry 4.0. The future of recipe management is wild, guys. We are rapidly moving toward AI-assisted recipe optimization, where artificial intelligence actually figures out the most efficient parameters on its own. We'll see completely cloud-based storage tightly integrated with the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. Imagine automatic product recognition, where a machine literally sees what's coming down the conveyor line and seamlessly changes the recipe itself. We're also looking at predictive process optimization, digital twin simulations to test recipes virtually before touching real machines, and full end-to-end smart factory integration. Now, navigating this advanced future requires some serious expertise, and that's where DV Automation Solutions comes in. They provide complete integrated solutions right across this entire spectrum. From traditional industrial automation, PLC programming, HMI development, and SCADA systems, all the way to advanced artificial intelligence, IoT integration, smart agriculture, and solar energy solutions. If you're looking to implement these kinds of smart technologies for a better tomorrow, they offer the comprehensive industrial expertise to make it happen. Definitely feel free to reach out to them to learn more. And that brings us to a final, provocative thought to leave you with. As artificial intelligence begins analyzing massive amounts of data, writing, and dynamically optimizing its own production recipes in real time, is your factory ready for the smart revolution? It's definitely a fascinating question to ponder as we move deeper into Industry 4.0. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you in the next one.